I'm going to be showing you how to glam your full-length mirror. Glamming with Trish. First, you're going to need paint, masking tape, glitter, something to pour your paint in, and paint brushes. And of course, your full-length mirror. I do have a black full-length mirror that I found in my basement that was not doing any good sitting down there, and I'm like, well, it is time to glam this mirror up so I can take it to my room. I am going to start opening my paint, and I decided, okay, I have the black full-length mirror, and I'm like, it's chipping, and it's just not looking very glamorous, so why not go ahead and paint it white, and then I can add glitter on top of that. Well, first, I needed to clean my mirror, so I just used regular Dawn dish soap and a paper towel, dampened it, put the dish soap on it, and started scrubbing my mirror. And I mean, the mirror part, you don't really need to worry about cleaning it right now. You just need to clean the frame of the mirror. And I took the screwdriver that I was using to open my paint and just kind of like went around the mirror getting all the little crumbs, whatever, dirt, particles that has been collected on the mirror while it's been in the basement. Now that that is done, I am going to go back in with my masking tape. And I'm going to take the masking tape and line it from the frame to the mirror, covering that little bit of area just in case my brush would slip and I'd get some paint on my mirror. We don't want none of that, so to eliminate that, you're just taking your masking tape and going all the way around the mirror where it meets the frame. I do recommend doing this outside because fumes of the paint can be toxic and nobody wants any of that, so wear a mask if needed, but you can do it outside. Now that that is all done and taped up, we're ready to move to the next step, which is opening our paint. I decided I did not want to go with the white after all, that I wanted to go with regular clear paint. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. You want to make sure you pour it into a container that you really don't care about. This is actually a paint container, a paint tray that I can just throw away afterwards. I got mine at the Dollar Tree. And now I'm just taking regular crafting glitter and pouring into my paint. This is a nice little do-it-yourself project. And now I'm just stirring the glitter in with the clear paint. And ta-da! You have glitter! It's glam! Ah, I love glitter. Look how sparkly. Look how pretty. It's just so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to put this on the mirror. This mirror is going to be so beautiful. I just can't wait. And now it's time to paint. I did notice this is my first time ever doing this with the glitter in the paint. And you just got to stir it up and keep stirring it up because the glitter does weigh more than the paint. So if you don't want the glitter just to stay at the bottom, you just get, you just got to keep stirring it. And you can see it is painting on glitter. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm in love. I am absolutely in love with this. A really great idea I came up with. You just want to keep stirring it like I said and paint around the whole frame. I am going to speed this up so you guys do not have to sit here and watch this in real life time because it did take some time. This is my first coat. Do multiple coats on this frame just to give it more glitter effect. I do recommend if you are going to be doing this on your deck or a table outside or anywhere you're doing this at, lay newspapers down so that your paint does not drip. I didn't have really that much of a problem of drippage, but I did still have a newspaper there handy for anything that would occur. And this is the first layer. Now it's time for the second layer. this is a very time-consuming process because I did figure out that this is a full-length mirror. So the time, if you're doing it outside on a warm day and you paint one end of it, time you get to the other end, it'll be time for the second coat, third coat, etc. So it did work out in my favor that way and did not take so much time. Plus, this clear paint and glitter dried really quick. And now it's time for a Diet Coke on the patio. Nice and refreshed. It's coming along nicely, nice and glittery, beautiful, sparkly. And for the third coat now. Just amazing what 3 coats of glitter does. Look how sparkly and just beautiful. I could have stopped there, but I think it needs one more coat. One more coat. What do you guys think? It's crazy what a little bit of glitter can do. I added one more coat, and that's a total of 4 coats on this mirror. It turned out beautiful. Now it's time to just set and let it finish drying completely. And this is me showing you my 4th coat that I applied. So I would recommend using 4 coats. It did give it that extra glittery effect, and it covered all of the bare spots when I kept going back with extra layers, because you know, glitter, sometimes if you don't do it evenly, it'll have like more glitter in this area than it does on the other area. So with 4 coats it came out even, and it just looks stunning, and I'm in love with it. I absolutely cannot wait to hang this in my room. I do have extra left. Do I have another do-it-yourself project that I'm going to be using this on? I do think so. You'll have to stay tuned for that video coming soon. But now that it's dry, I let it set for a while. And it's dry. 30 minutes and voila, I have a brand new mirror. Okay, not 30 minutes, like an hour and 30 minutes, but still. Very cute full-size mirror now. And now it's time for some pill porn. Just take your masking tape and start peeling it off. And ta-da! Look how stunning! Oh my goodness, I'm lost for words. It's just so beautiful and glittery, and it's just, it on camera does not give it justice. It's just so beautiful and sparkly. I just wish you could see it in person. I am in love. And now my favorite part, to bedazzle my mirror. I have pink and silver rhinestones. I don't know which one I'm going to go with. Which one do you think I should go with? I went with the silver ones, So what I'm going to do now is, I did get these at the Dollar Tree. If you watch my vlog from Dollar Tree, you know when I got these. And then you need glue and scissors. I'm using super glue, and I am taking the scissors and I'm cutting the rhinestones down the center of each strand. Just like this. Now that I have it cut, I'm going to take a little bit of super glue and start going along where I want the rhinestones to be placed. You can use a glue gun, but then you're going to have a little bit of excess glue. You know how glue guns work, so I just went with super glue. I mean, my best friend is super glue, so I'd be using super glue on everything. And this is the time-consuming part. Probably more time-consuming than applying the glitter and paint to the frame. So, I am going to speed this up and let you guys watch how I do my bedazzled part to my full-size glam mirror. Here is some more progress that I have made. Look how beautiful. Can you believe this is the same black mirror that you've seen in the beginning of this video? It doesn't even look like the same mirror, does it? A mirror fit for a princess. And ta-da! I have the inside of the mirror done. I did decide I wanted to go a little bit extra. You know I love my extra. And I'm not done yet. I am not done yet. I'm going to take some more of the rhinestones. I'm going to go on the outer edge of the frame now. And you glue it just like you did on the inner side. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks so beautiful. You know what I want to do this summer? Is anybody that's watching this video, if you like to go to yard sales, I recommend picking up as many picture frames as you could find for cheap. Go to Dollar Tree and get you some picture frames. And you could do this exact same project with picture frames. Can you imagine how beautiful that would be with picture frames? Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I finally am done, and it is up next to my closet. It's so pretty. It was really the funnest do-it-yourself project that I could start out my summer by doing. And look at that. Oh my goodness. Just so sparkly, and every time I pass it, I'm just like, oh my goodness. You're so beautiful. And you know I love my glitter, my sparkles, and rhinestones, so this was the cutest way to deck out my full-size mirror. I hope you enjoyed this do-it-yourself project. It was easy, cheap, and we had really a lot of fun doing this do-it-yourself project. I can't wait to see what I come up with next. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. As always, mwah!